Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add an image in Webflow 2026. So at first guys, you will need to go with the webflow.com website and make sure that you already signed in with your account. So then just click on the dashboard section and click on the website that you want to add the image on. Okay, so once you click it, you will be forwarded into the Webflow designer, and inside it I really want you to go and click on the plus icon that's located on the left side bar, and that's add elements. So here you will need to scroll down on the pop-up menu or add option and till you can see media section. So that's the media section. Okay, and then just go ahead and drag the image into the section that you want it to be on. So for example, we'll go with that place. Okay, so just place it right there, and then you will need to choose your image. So you can upload a new image, select from the assets. Even you can use an existing image in your project. So for example, just go with use image, and as I told you, you can upload new images just from here. So you can go with upload and then just put some images right here so you can drag them. And also you can go with an existing image like these ones, or select from assets. So for example, I will select that one. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.